I have an air conditioner system that is nearly 10, 12 years old. How long can I expect a typical air conditioning and heating system to last?
Mike here with Anthem Air Conditioning. Right now, I'm going to talk about how long an air conditioner system should last. The typical length of time that an air conditioner lasts is 10 to 15 years. So if an air conditioner system is about 10 to 15 years old, you've got a good lifespan out of it. Anything over that is probably bonus. Some of the stuff that'll make a difference on how long an air conditioner system is going to last is, first of all, how was it installed? A properly installed air conditioner system will last much longer than one that's just thrown in. You want to make sure that your air conditioner system is installed by a professional and properly done. The next thing that's going to help your air conditioner system last longer is regular maintenances. Get your system maintained properly. Change the filter often and make sure that you get a professional to do a regular maintenance on it. We recommend twice a year. That's a fall and a spring maintenance on your air conditioner system. Out here in the desert, we have tremendous amount of use on our air conditioner systems, less so on our heaters, but our air conditioner systems are put through the ringers with our heat. So our air conditioner systems get a tremendous amount of use and may start to show more wear and tear earlier than someplace where your air conditioner system is used a little bit less.